Hello guys, welcome to Tech Mode. So today I will be discussing mainly about how you can create a simple Twitter bot in Python in under 10 minutes. So it's going to be a very simple tutorial in which we are going to use certain modules which are going to post certain kind of tweets, basically certain kind of mm, jokes to your Twitter account in every 1 minute. You can customize those minutes also. So let's get started with this. Okay, so what you will need? You will need a basically a mic. You will need a PC or maybe a Mac OS. So I believe that you have Python installed in it. So if you don't have Python installed in it, install it. It's very simple. It's a very simple installer. And by so second thing, you will need a Python editor if you want. So I will be using PyCharm. You can use Sublime Text also to run Sublime Text if you want. Some of the guys use Sublime Text. It's a very powerful text editor, but I prefer to use PyCharm. It's very handy. So the two of them, apart from this, you require two modules from Python. First one is request module. Request module basically allows you to have a connection. It's basically an HTTP module, so you can have any kind of HTTP request like get post, and you can just do it using request module. And Tweepy is basically a whole module which allows you to post to your Twitter account. So of course the third one will be Twitter account. You must have a Twitter account for this. And let's start. So I believe that to install this request in Tweepy, you require to have a pip installed on your local machine. So if you are in Mac OS or Windows OS, I have already mentioned the links on the screen how you can install the pip on your Mac. So pip is basically an extension manager which allows you to install this dependency to your local system. So I have already installed it. So here if you can see, I have already installed the Tweepy and I have already installed the request module, so now I'm not going to install it again. You have to just type sudo pip install request and click enter, and after the password it will automatically install that thing to your local machine. So third step and a very important step is to create a Twitter app. So how you can create a Twitter app? It's very easy. Go to this URL apps.twitter.com and I will show you here. So I have already created an app. It's named bot401. If you wanted to go, just go to app management and click on this create new app, and you can just name whatever you want. My name is dummy 45 something something. Description I will make random. Not sure what exactly is this. Okay, and I accept your agreement and click on create your application. So after that you have created your application, it will give you this screen where in the keys and token access you will require these four parameters for all of them. Okay, and in the permission settings, what you need is to click this one, read and write access. So after that, that's all from here. That's all things we have to know. So we have already noted down the consumer key access and API access. So you can just create your access token also here, and I will not show you this thing. So everything I have right now. So now let's start coding. So that we have taken an empty file, and if you have already familiar with Python, it's very simple language. So what we are going to create a call a function in every 1 minute, right? So what we are going to do is that we are importing the TWP system and time and request module, and what we are going to do is that I have created a main method is going to call by this if namespace, and this main method is going to call tweet to Twitter after 1 minute. So it's an infinite loop. So after 1 minute, it's going to call this function. Let's do some magic. So it will print a let's do the magic every 1 minute. So what we are going to do is we put a logic in this to post to a Twitter using Tweepy. So this is the full source code. It's very simple one. You have to just displace your consumer keys, access token, access secret here, And what we are going to do is that we created an API object with this whole consumer keys and API token secret keys. And what we are going to do is that we will request to a get URL of check Norris jokes, which will give for every fresh request, it will give you a new joke. And what we are going to do is that for every joke that we have, we are going to post it as a tweet. Now what we are going to do is that we get the response data, and my status text will be a joke. If you want to see here, this is the API and this is the request. So what we are going to do is that it's a JSON response, and only this string will get as a string. So I want to post it as a tweet. Okay, so this simple, by the object of API.update status, we're going to post it. So this is very simple one. And if you run it, that after 1 minute it's going to post those messages to your Twitter account. So it's a very simple one, Twitter bot, and it's just in under 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let me go back to my slides once again. Yeah, so it's a very simple one. So this is the reading the Chuck Norris API. It's very simple one. You can just go to this URL and it'll give you this thing. So I hope you have liked this video, and in the next upcoming videos we are going to explore more Python modules as well as more bots we are going to make. So let's, and in future you may be seeing some awesome videos coming out with this channel. So please subscribe and comment down if you don't understand anything. So I'm here with you guys. You can just uh, comment down whatever things that you are not able to understand. I will just give you a response in one day. So thank you guys, subscribe and hit like, and please comment down below if you like this video, and share with your friends, and share on Reddit, Twitter, anything that you want. So this is Pramod signing off, and you are in Tech Mode. Thank you.